How might I use a signal to win a net new account? Well, some of the things that I'd look for: buying intent intermixed with relationship or time-based signals. Probably that combination would be my absolute favorite. Let me talk you through it. Buying intent is somebody that is consuming your intellectual property, your content, that is interested in topics. So of course that is one piece to a puzzle. That's looking internally to understand, okay, there's some sense of interest in what we do. On the flip side, I would reverse engineer my existing customer base, and I would look for advocates that have left my customer base and have become key stakeholders inside that company. And the more of these advocates that I have inside that company, that high social proximity, the higher probability that the buying committee is going to be aligned to me. And then ultimately, the last thing that I'd probably look for is if a new key stakeholder that I assume will be on that buying committee is new. Why do I look for that? Because new key stakeholders are malleable. They're interested in bringing in new people, process, and technology. So that trifecta is the ultimate white space that I'd be looking for in accounts. Now, I might have only one of those signals and I'm still going to engage those customers. But if I'm going to prioritize my time, what I'm going to look for is that trifecta: buying intent, a relationship of advocates, and then I've got time or maturity on my side. New key stakeholders, company raising seed capital or Series C or going IPO. It requires a sense of maturity to get there. That's what I'd be looking for to win a net new account. Hope that this helps.